Jordan, the field service tech, out of the Weatherford location. We're going to be looking at this 455 drill we have here on the yard. This is a 1999 John Deere 455 drill, 35 feet at 7.5 inch spacing. This machine is equipped with liquid fertilizer. It's got a fertilizer tank there on the center frame, and it's got a piston pump that's driven off of the chain drive right here. It is equipped with one marker on the left hand side. There's a diverter valve here to switch between the marker and one of the other functions. It does have on the front here, we've got some play on these front tires here. I did notice on where the hub meets the shaft right there. This thing's had quite a few updated parts on it. On the press wheel arms here, they've got the updated bushing pin kit right here, so there's no play on any of those. The slots for the actual adjustment are still in good shape. There's minimal play on the pivot point at the front compared to a lot of these that are this age. There was a couple press wheels I did find that need to be replaced because the bearings are starting to go out in them, but I would say a majority of them are all good. I think I seen one blade bearing that was going bad as well. Blades are measuring it like 13.25 to 13.5. Tires all hold air. They do got some weather checking. Fertilizer system looks to be in good shape. Looks like there's a couple different colors of lines, so I'm assuming some of them have been changed at some point. This bracket here has broken off of the bracket up there. That's something that needs to be fixed, looks like. Like right here, we're missing one press wheel right here. Here we've got a cylinder that's leaking just a little bit. Got a hose down there that's leaking. We've got a cylinder right there that's leaking. Customer, or the previous owner, added a little toolbox here and it's got some parts and stuff in it. The hitch itself has some wear, but probably got a little bit of life left in it. I think for the age, this machine's in fairly good shape. It does need some few things fixed before it goes to the field. I think for the price point, I think you'll be good quality machine once it's fixed back up. So if you're looking for a used 455 drill with fertilizer setup on it, this is one you might check out. Talk to one of our salesmen at one of our 21 locations and they can set you up with this one.